Alright, so we're back out at the creek. As you can see, it snowed a bunch yesterday. Just enough to really make stuff kind of difficult. Yeah, it didn't bring up the water too much in the creek, but this isn't the only section that we're gonna fish today. We're gonna be fishing way up that way today, and yeah, hopefully today's a good day. Nice sun. Should get these fish active, and maybe we'll get some different species today. We'll see you guys on the GoPro. So today we're going to be starting off with a moving bait. We're going to start off with this little inline spinner rooster tail. See if that does anything. Hopefully it does. You know, it'd be pretty fun to catch them on a spinner today, so we'll see. So I've taken about 10 casts with a spinner. It's not working, so we're gonna switch over to a fly and see if that works. Got the first fish right here, and tried every technique. It's what worked yesterday was what worked. Kind of got hung up in a tree right there, but that's all right. Get my gloves off. Just the jig and the line, you can see them better. Nice creek chub right there, and there he goes. Now we got a little bit of a tangled mess here. Okay, come here. Okay. Got a better fish here. There's better than the last one. At least we're getting bigger today. That's nice. Just getting a little bit bigger at a time. And beautiful colors. Purple, kind of pink. Got the nice line on the creek chub, and another thing is that they're eating right now, so that's nice. Got another one. Pretty sure it's bigger than the last one, which is nice. They're getting bigger and bigger. That's nice. There we go. I'm sure I'm gonna catch one. Yep, he has it right. Oh, there we go. Ooh, he jumped. Don't get too many of. Wow, he's a jumper. I've never seen him jump like that before. I've seen him jump just a little bit, but not like that. Another one right there on that little ice ant. Just let him go. This might be the only place I fish, honestly. I thought I was going to explore, but, you know, no point in exploring when the fish are right here. I think that's another one. Oh, yep. Very nice fish here. Just a little creek chub again. Okay, there's another one. I had to take a little break. My hands were getting cold, so just kind of walked around here and looked for other spots, but there's another beautiful creek chub. Oh, just missed one down there in that hole. I just caught one, but the GoPro wasn't on, so this cold weather, man, it's not good for camera equipment, so see if he takes it again. Oh, I think he has it. Yeah. Jeez, these fish are finicky. He's got to be on there now. Yep. Oh, just went airborne. There he is. Oops. There he is. Right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. The purple pinkish on him is just really cool. There's another one. Haven't caught any other species today, just all these little creek chubs. Just nothing even size either. Perfect bait, but you know. Ooh, this wind is awful. So I'm wrapping up the day right here. It's snowing right now. We caught like 7 or 8 creek chubs a day. Thought it was a pretty good day. I believe it's in the teens right now, so it's snowing, but the sun's out. It's a beautiful day. It's just really, really cold, and it's really hard to stay out there in the water for very long. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you I would really appreciate it if you went down and subscribed. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.